Dandora hoye!
Homa Bay County Governor Gladys Atieno Nyasuna Wanga has dismissed claims that she's out to auction the Orange Democratic Movement, that is ODM party, to President William Ruto.
Wala la 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 la. Hii ni ODM. Wacha nione kwa kofia ODM.
Speaking when she led a brigade of ODM loyalists to a Linda Ground meeting in Dandora, Nairobi County, Wanga, who is the chairperson of the Orange Party, has said the party belongs to the citizen and no individual can sell the party.
Hakuna siku hata moja tutasambaratisha chama cha ODM. Na chama cha ODM haina bei. Hakuna mtu anaweza kuuza ama kununua chama cha ODM. Kwa sababu chama cha ODM ni chama cha wananchi, ni chama chenu nyinyi.
Wanga's sentiments follows claims by Winnie Odinga, who is the daughter to former party leader, the late Raila Odinga, that some leaders in the Orange Party are out to auction the party to President William Ruto. Wanga has called on members of the Orange Party to throw their weight behind and support the current leadership led by Siaya County Senator Oburu Odinga.
Sisi tumerudi kuuliza swali. Na swali ni hivi. Swali ya kwanza, wangapi wanakubali ya kwamba tuendelee na kiongozi wetu party leader akuwe Dr. Oburu Oginga? Wacha nione kwa mkono.
Makadara Member of Parliament George Aladwa, who is vying for the position of Nairobi County Governor on an ODM platform, has equally backed Wanga's sentiments for ODM members to support Oburu's leadership.
Jamani! Na wangapi wana support Dr. Oburu Oginga kama party leader? Wangapi wanasema Gladys Wanga tosha? Wangapi Dandora mnakaribisha Gladys Wanga?
Conspicuously missing during the Nairobi tour were key ODM leaders, including Nairobi Senator Edwin Sifuna and Embakasi East Member of Parliament Babu Owino. The two have publicly expressed aspirations with the current leadership of the Orange Party.